Hey guys, hope you're having an amazing day. And in this video, we're going to continue our use of asparagus. And today, we're going to use the white asparagus. So in today's video, we're going to use the white asparagus and make a beautiful, creamy white asparagus risotto. So to start off with, I'm using arborio rice because it's easily available everywhere and in every supermarket. You could also use the other varieties if you want. Finally, dice some shallots, some garlic, and your white asparagus. I'm gonna put into thin slices, almost like medallions, into your pan with some olive oil. Toss in your shallots and then add in your chopped garlic. Sweat it down for a while till it's nice and translucent. Add in your white asparagus and cook for about 2 minutes. Then add in your arborio rice or whatever rice you're choosing to use and cook till your rice is nice and translucent. Now, risotto is one of those easy things to make, but you gotta make sure that you take good care of it. In with my dry white wine. I'm using a dry white wine like a Sauvignon Blanc. And now reduce this white wine by half. I've also made some stock with the asparagus stems and the onion skins, but you could use a chicken stock or a normal vegetable stock, that's up to you. Once your wine is reduced by half, add in half of your vegetable stock. And let it gently simmer, stirring occasionally. Once the water has evaporated, add in a ladle at a time of the remaining stock and keep stirring your risotto. You can also use green asparagus or mushrooms or whatever vegetable you like. Just use the same instead of using the asparagus. I'm gonna add in a half a teaspoon of white truffle paste. Why not? This will give it a nice truffle flavor. Then in with my pecorino and parmesan. Now the reason I didn't add the salt is because the pecorino is really salty, so I have waited till the last moment to add the salt. Normally it's made with parmesan, but I like a little bit of pecorino in my risotto, but that's optional. Mix your risotto well, and you can see how nice and creamy your risotto is already become. Turn off your heat. Give it one last mix. Check for your seasoning. I'm gonna add in a bit of Maldon sea salt. You could also add some cracked black pepper, that's optional. And now we're ready to plate this beautiful creamy risotto. Look how nice and creamy your risotto is. All you need is a little bit of love and care, and your risotto will turn out exactly like this. Now, risotto is supposed to be creamy, and you generally do not add cream in your risotto. The starch comes out of the rice. That's why you have to stir it continuously. And then the Parmesan at the end will mix with the starch and give it some creaminess. I've added a bit of garnish, some white asparagus and green asparagus tips. And there you have it, a beautiful and creamy white asparagus risotto. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these kind of videos, please do subscribe, leave a like or a comment, and stay tuned for many more videos to come. Thank you for watching, and once again, this is me signing off. Bon appetit.